Well, hi. Um, so another small update. Nothing's wrong, and videos are continuing as usual. But I did just get a new cooler for my computer, and I literally just finished installing it, and everything went smoothly. And you can probably hear how much less noise there is in the background. Probably, I don't know. But like, and I mean, I'm deaf, so you know, I'm not the best person for this, but it genuinely, I cannot hear my computer. I cannot hear it anymore. Like, I could hear the fans through my headphones, but I mean, I've taken them off right now and I cannot hear the fans. So basically, I've got a 360 millimeter AIO. It's a fine looking thing, and it's hopefully keeping my computer cooler than usual, and double hopefully making it run better. So you might see a bit of a boost with my recording quality. We'll see. Hopefully it's there, and hopefully, nothing goes wrong. I've always been a bit superstitious about putting liquid in my PC, but I think this is gonna be all right. I'm very happy with how things turned out, and well, it is. I'm probably gonna upload this like right after I put it up, so it's probably gonna be put around 1 in the morning on January 25th. So I guess anything that I say is recorded after that will be of a boosted quality, I guess. But yeah, I hope you're having a good day, night, whatever. And this is whoever signing off. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.